Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to insert picture in MS Word page. Okay, I want to show you two ways to insert picture in your MS Word, and you can choose any kind of pictures from your files, from your any drives. Okay, so first put your cursor wherever you want to put the picture. Okay, down or maybe up there. Okay, and then go to insert tab, select this picture and choose any picture from anywhere. Okay, suppose this top, I want to select this file and then select the picture and go for insert, and it is inserted here. Okay, this is the second page. I want to put some other photos here in second page. Now I'm on second page. Okay, the other way is go and find out where do you have the picture. Where I have the picture here. Suppose this one, copy this, come back to your MS Word and put your cursor in right place and right place, and then Control V. Yes, and you cannot move it here, no? Then go to this page layout, come to this, select behind or whatever. Okay, I want to choose this one, and then move it here, and now you have two pages with two different pictures. Put it somewhere here. Where is this one? Yes, we have picture here. So according to your need, you can put it anywhere. You can relocate this or resize this, or put behind, in front, and this and that. Okay, yes, that's all.